Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Squarespace Analytics and remove UI tracking tags, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Squarespace Analytics, begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the website where you want to remove the analytics. Click on Settings in the left-hand menu. Scroll down and select Advanced. Under Advanced, click on External Services. Find the Google Analytics. Remove any tracking ID that is listed there. Now, navigate back to the main settings menu. Click on Marketing. Select Site Analytics from the options. Disable any connected analytics services by toggling the switch off. Next, return to the Settings menu. This time, click on Website. Scroll down to Advanced Settings. Here, look for any integrated scripts that track user interactions. Delete any instance of tracking or analytics tags. If you have custom code added, click on Code Injection. Remove any code that is related to analytics tracking. After removing the codes, save your changes. To ensure all tracking is disabled, use an incognito window. Visit your site and check for any remaining tracking scripts. Finally, monitor your website over the next few days. Make sure no analytics data is being collected from your site. This ensures that your Squarespace Analytics has been completely uninstalled and all tracking tags removed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.